Hey student, watch this video and learn 5 different relationship collocations you need to know in English. Coming up. Hey friends, Teacher Prix here to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. First of all, as usual, thank you so much for joining me on another English lesson. If it's your first time here, hey, thank you. Consider subscribing, my friend, because from Monday to Friday, I have many different kinds of English lessons to help you become a better and more confident English speaker. So now, my friends, let's dive into the content. 5 relationship collocations in English. And after this video is over, make sure to let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, okay? I also have a free ebook that you can download for you. Yes. The link is in the description, and in this ebook, I share 5 different strategies to help you better understand and talk to native and non-native speakers in English. Now, first one, to become good or close friends, okay? Sometimes people may use the word good to indicate the person is close, okay? So that's why I'm using both words here. So when you become close friends, when you become good friends, it means that you are transitioning. Maybe you were just friends, just casual, like school friends, classmates. You didn't really have a strong relationship. But if you tell someone, we became good friends, we became close friends, or even if you use verb to be, we are close friends, this means you have more emotional intimacy. You have a lot of trust involved. This is not just any friend. This is a close friend, okay? This is someone you really care about and you trust and you have a good, strong relationship with, okay? Do you have many close friends? Let me know here in the comments, all right? So here, an example. Alex is a close friend of mine, okay? We met 10 years ago while I was working for blah blah company, and we have been friends ever since, okay? We became good friends after college, so this is very common. I met my best friend in college, one of my best friends. I have 2 more best friends, and we became really good friends after college, and today he's one of my best friends, okay? Number 2, to have strong chemistry. You don't need to use the word strong, okay? Here I am showing you collocations. Collocations are usually phrases that go very well together, all right? So this is a possible collocation. In relationships, when you say you have chemistry or strong chemistry, it means you are compatible. You click with the other person. You connect with the other person. There's something you can't really explain, but you are compatible, okay? So here are some examples. I went out with Jim, but I don't think we're going out again. What's wrong? He's amazing. He's perfect. He's so nice. I don't know. He's a great guy, but we had no chemistry. We didn't click. We didn't have this connection. So this is good. You can say we didn't click, we didn't connect, but we didn't have chemistry is better. And here I said we had no chemistry. That's even better. That's actually what native speakers will say in most cases, okay? Wow, you and Dave are great together. You have such strong chemistry. Yeah, I know, we're great together. So this is the idea. You are compatible, you have a great connection, you click, okay? Moving on. Significant other. This is a word that sometimes people listen to while watching movies, or depending on where they are, they hear people using this expression, this collocation, but they don't always know what it means. When I say significant other, your significant other, it means a person with whom you have a romantic relationship, either your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, your significant other. So maybe I'm at work and I'm talking to a friend about my friend Jane, and I say, well, Jane moved in with her significant other to London. Wow, really? Yeah, I know. They're in love. So when I say her significant other, I don't want to really say if it's the husband or if it's the wife or if it's the boyfriend or the girlfriend. It's someone this person has a relationship with, a romantic relationship with, okay? James, another example. James is really depressed. Ever since his significant other passed away, he hasn't left the house. So this may happen to some people, unfortunately, when they lose their significant other, they may feel very depressed. When you watch videos on YouTube talking about relationships and or if you read on blogs on the internet, they may refer to your special someone as significant other, okay? So when maybe, especially when they're describing relationships, talking about relationships, you may come across this collocation very, very frequently. Now you know what it is, okay? And hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button. When you do that, YouTube understands that this is a good lesson and it'll share with other students like you. Now, number 4. To have feelings for someone. I like this one. And in most cases, it means to feel love or affection for someone. But depending on the context, it may not necessarily mean you are in love. It depends on the construction. It depends on the situation, okay? But here I am showing you a possible situation that is to say to feel love, to feel affection for someone, okay? I am in love with someone. I have feelings. And I can even say I have intense feelings for you. Even though they have been divorced for a year, Mark, capital letter, sorry, Mark still has feelings for Anna. So this is sad. They have been divorced for a year now. So Mark still has feelings for Anna? Not good. I don't know how to tell you this, but I have feelings for you. This is very common, when you are watching movies and TV shows, you may see people saying this. Oh, I don't know how to tell you this, but I have feelings for you. And then the person is like, me? What? What are you saying? So this is a common collocation, and now you know it. And last collocation of the night, to have an affair. Not cool, my friends. If you know someone that is having an affair, that is not really cool. Not nice. To have an affair means to cheat on your significant other. Significant other, remember that? So when a person who is married or is in a relationship starts seeing a different person other than his partner. So let's imagine I have my boyfriend. And then I start going out with another guy, but I have a boyfriend. So this means I'm a bad person. This means I'm having an affair, okay? So I can't believe, I can't believe you are having an affair with your secretary. That is ridiculous. I was going to say amazing. That is awful, okay? Alice is having an affair with her personal trainer. My God, that is awful. So there you have it. These are 5 very important collocations connected to relationship. Let me know your favorite one in the comments, and if possible, hit the like button and share this lesson with your friends. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!